Copper, a symbolic metal with a rich history, is becoming a key component in the modern era of electric vehicles, or EVs, where clean energy and sustainability play a crucial role. EVs, aimed at reducing carbon emissions and utilizing energy efficiently, are creating a new demand for copper, where it is used in electric motors, batteries, wiring, and charging stations. Refined copper is a very versatile metal that is used in various applications in several different demand sectors, such as equipment manufacturing, construction, infrastructure, transportation, and other industrial uses. Let's take a quick look at copper use in each of these 5 sectors. Number 1, equipment and manufacturing is the largest user of copper and accounts for about 1/3 of the total copper demand. It is used extensively in the production of various equipment and machinery, including electrical and electronic devices. Number 2, the construction industry accounts for about 28% of total demand, where it is used in electrical wiring, plumbing systems, roofing materials, and structural elements. Number 3, the infrastructure sector represents 16% of the total, where copper is a crucial element in electrical systems, telecommunications, and power generation. Number 4, transportation. It accounts for about 12%, where it is used for various applications, including wiring in vehicles, electronic components, and infrastructure for electric vehicles. And number 5, the industrial sector. It also represents about 12% of total copper demand and is used in a wide range of applications such as motors, generators, and other machinery. Going forward, of course, as the growth of the EV market expands, the market share of the transportation sector will increase from the current 12%. There is, however, a ripple effect, most notably in the infrastructure sector, where a lot of new electrical transmission will be required to meet the drive to decarbonization, which in turn will push the market share of this sector higher as well. So, how much copper is required in electric vehicles? Well, actually, copper has always been used in the manufacturing of vehicles. However, the amount of copper required varies significantly, depending on the vehicle type. Conventional cars with internal combustion engines required about 23 kilograms, or around 50 pounds of copper. This increases to 40 kilograms in hybrid EVs, up to 60 kilograms for plug-in hybrid EVs, and about 85 kilograms in battery electric vehicles, or BEVs. That's almost 200 pounds of copper per car, quadruple conventional vehicles. While cars are expected to make up the majority of the BEV market, truck and bus BEVs can use upwards of 370 kilograms, or 800 pounds of copper each. BEV cars account for almost 2/3 of the copper demand growth from 2023 to 2030. Including plug-in hybrids, these two types of EVs represent over 90% of the total copper demand. Of course, the growth in copper demand is directly related to the number of BEV cars, which grows to about 45 million units globally in 2030. This growth reflects the rising popularity of electric cars and the transition towards cleaner transportation options. The total amount of copper used in the BEV industry has grown sharply from just 1,000 tons in 2010 to about 1 million tons in 2023. That's up 1,000 times over the past 13 years. Incorrys is forecasting BEV demand growth to accelerate, increasing to over 3.5 million tons by 2030. As noted earlier, demand for electric vehicles only represents about 12% of total copper demand. Incorrys believes that there will be sufficient copper supplied to 2030 to satisfy demand for electric vehicles worldwide, especially when considering additional factors such as advancement in battery technology, the improved efficiency of copper utilization, and material recycling. However, there is significant longer-term uncertainty on copper supply for the burgeoning electric vehicle market, partly due to demand requirements from the other sectors, but also the potential impacts given the political instability in large copper-producing regions.